Okay, commissioners, we thought it'd be a good idea to take a group photograph for the upcoming birthday celebration so we could use it for advertising. We haven't had the best press in the past few months, so I think this is a good idea.
This will shut down that darn Wayne Who character, so I'm all for it. Just give me a few minutes to get my hair right.
I know I take too long to explain myself, but I am 100% against this. It is the money of the lovely taxpayers that we are using to do it. I will not use taxpayer money for this.
Carlos, you already voted for doing this. We've already spent the money on the advertising in this picture, so we just need to do this.
Oh, we already spent the money? Then I'm okay with this if we have already spent the money.
To help us out, I've asked School Board Member Jay Wheeler to help us take this photo. He has an eye for this sort of thing.
Okay, everyone, let's get it together. I need you to come over here in front of the camera.
Okay, I'm going to be in the middle. The rest of you line up like it tells you. I have to be in the middle, though.
Why all the long faces? You were made for this moment. This is your time to shine.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
That's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, yeah. Punish those taxpayers.
I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts. And I'm too sexy for Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.
You get him, Commissioner.
And I'm too sexy for your party, too sexy for your party. The way I'm disco dancing. I'm a model, you know what I mean. And I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the catwalk, on the catwalk. Yeah, I do my little turn on the catwalk.
The camera loves you. That's hot. Oh, that's hot.
We can use this in Tampa for our All-America City shot. And Carlos, you look marvelous.
Oh my god!
Get him, taxes.